On a typical day, you may find yourself pouring over multiple cups of coffee to get the day rolling. It's not just you, but many others are doing the same, but have you ever given a thought about what coffee is doing to your body? Everything we consume has an effect on our body, which includes coffee as well. Coffee is vilified a lot in the world, but in reality, having a habit of drinking coffee is not bad actually. If you want, you can turn the coffee drinking habit into a fat-burning process. Keep watching the video to know how you can do that and what the implications are. Let us know more as to how much coffee you should drink to get rid of that belly fat. 1. Caffeine, the magic ingredient. Coffee contains caffeine, and it is what makes people stay awake for a long time. This is what we know about caffeine, but caffeine possesses a lot more than just keeping us awake. Caffeine can promote quick fat burning and also boost metabolism. But it is important to consume caffeine in a limited quantity. Caffeine plus chlorogenic equals fat burn. Caffeine stimulates increased lipase, which is an enzyme that helps break down fat at the time of digestion. But lipase needs to convert digestive fats into glycerin and fatty acids. But this process is time-consuming, therefore caffeine needs an additional element, which happens to be the chlorogenic acid. With this element, fat burns at a much faster pace and it also produces a more synergetic effect. Caffeine helps eliminate edema. Caffeine is a diuretic, which will help you get rid of edema. So, all toxic substances in your body are going to be flushed away from your body if you add caffeine into your diet in the form of coffee. Caffeine boosts your metabolism, more than your expectations. Caffeine is going to give more than a necessary boost to your metabolism. It will improve blood circulation, which in turn will bring a positive effect on your basal metabolism. 2. What is the ideal time to have coffee so that weight can be reduced? Coffee has been known to burn fat, but if you are going to sit all day, then you can't expect coffee to do wonders for you. It is important for you to indulge in a routine of strenuous workouts and exercises to see desirable results. You can have a cup of coffee 20 to 30 minutes prior to starting your workout session. But keep in mind that you need to drink the right amount of coffee. If you have a habit of eating a dessert after a meal, then try replacing it with a cup of coffee instead. It will clear your head and will also give you a sense of fullness after eating. 3. How to drink coffee while dieting. Being on a diet doesn't mean that you have to stop drinking coffee. You can have 2 to 3 cups of coffee in a day, which you can quickly make in a branded coffee maker. A branded coffee maker will ensure that the flavor and consistency remain the same, either you are making coffee for the first time or the 100th time. It is also important to take a close look as to which type of beans you are using. If you can use organic coffee beans, then that will have a more positive effect on your body compared to the usual ones that are available on the market. Moreover, make sure that you buy light roasts because they need less heat while brewing. Coffee should always be consumed hot because it will yield better results as compared to iced coffee. Your body will easily absorb all the active ingredients that are present in the coffee. If you like having a cup of coffee with your family, then why don't you get a 4-cup coffee maker? You will see plenty of brands that sell the best coffee makers. Just find a product that meets your requirement and get it in your kitchen. How much coffee should you drink? This is a very crucial point because if you are looking to lose weight with coffee, then you should definitely not drink it too much. Keep it below 5 cups a day, if drinking more than 5. If the intake of caffeine is way too high, then you may develop sleep disorders, anemia, and digestive problems. So, keep a lid on the number of cups you drink in a day, as they shouldn't exceed 5 cups. So, these were 4 points that you need to keep in mind when taking the help of the coffee to reduce weight. I'm sure you have the potential and willpower to eliminate that body fat and tone your body. Use the power of coffee and inspire people around you. You should drink coffee regularly to reduce your weight, but make sure to consume it in less quantity to ensure that you only get the benefits and not the harmful side effects. You can prepare coffee in the Best Coffee Maker, which you can get by going through reviews of Best Coffee Makers consumer reports.